Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, this is kind of a unique video. You know, we don't really get a whole lot of Ipsy sneak peeks, but I believe we do have one for Ipsy October. And we're also going to be looking at the new fall mystery bag. So guys, if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing full spoilers for BoxyCharm September bags as well as the add-ons. Well, thank you so much, Heather K. Heather says, I'm the first one. Yes! Thank you so much for your dedication on your videos, and I pray you and your boys are doing all right. Love you too. Well, Heather, honey, thank you so much. That just warms my heart. And I hope you're doing good too, honey. And thank you so much for having your bell on and coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so during that time. You're going to see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020. And who don't need that right now? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's dive into this madness. Now again, we don't get Ipsy sneak peeks, so this is very exciting to me. So I'm going to show you what I found out. This was shown on ipsy.com, and of course it shows a sneak peek of 2 items that will be in the bags. So I don't know what these are. I'm going to try to do as much research as I can to find out what they are. There's so many products that are in this same exact packaging. I don't know if I could get it right or not. But if you recognize these items, let us know what you think they are down in the comments. A little bit about these mystery bags. We don't really talk about them a lot. So they do have a new fall mystery bag. Now, if you don't know what that is, you could purchase that separately. If you're a member, they charge you $14. Now, the fall bag says only 1 per order. Now, this is their Cozy Up mystery bag for the fall. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It's that same corduroy material. It's a burgundy shade. I would call that a light lilac color. Is that how you say it? Purple? Whatever. Anyways, I like this bag, guys. These are limited edition. Now, you will get 5 items in these mystery bags. And some of the brands being featured in this fall bag is Tarte, First Aid Beauty, Pacifica, Kenzie, Ofra, as well as H2O Plus Beauty. So again, guys, we don't really talk about these mystery bags a lot, but if you've ever gotten one of these, let us know how you like them. You know what? Instead of wasting a whole video, let's go ahead and look at the bags again, because you know what? I don't mind looking at these. I love them. The Standard, Plus, and Ultimate, I absolutely love what they've done with the bags for October. And if you missed the spoiler video, they've already got their first spoilers up. I'll go ahead and link that video down below if you missed that. In that video, you could check out the bags and the spoilers that we have so far for October Ipsy bags. So guys, again, let me know what you think these items are down in the comment section. Do you recognize them? And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in a loop. And as always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Babyface. Babyface says, hey love, thanks for the video. Great job as always. Well, Babyface, honey, you are more than welcome, honey. This keeps my mind busy. Keeps my mind off of all of my problems, so I do enjoy this. It's like therapy doing videos for you guys. And thank you so much for coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I ain't got none? Yep, they do it all the time. But if you would, check on that for me. If you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Dang YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell is set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.